What's up, guys? Break 2965 select FOTL. Random team break. We are full. Good luck, everybody. This is the 11 p.m. early bird dice roll. We're going 10 times. This stuff has been fire so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We hit a Joker auto to 15, and we hit a Benedict to 15. That Joker was a 15, right?
30.
30? I thought they were 15. All right. Not as cool, but still really good. 10 times now in your names. Good luck. 1. No problem, Terry. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Stephen Hartley's got the top 2 spots. Martin's at the bottom. Blazers and Bulls for Stephen. Martin, you got the Warriors. Magic for Ryan Chapman. There you go, Ryan. There's your squads. OKC for Basso. Pacers for Steve Lucas. Good luck, everybody. Let's hit the slider.
Alrighty. Here we go.
Alrighty then. Alrighty then. Pull some heat, kid. Pull some heat.
Bottle. Empty. There we
What
go.
you do? That's what you do. You pull fire.
I've been on a hot streak
Yeah.
past week.
Had a lot of people call the store and say what a good job you've been doing.
Oh, yeah. Johnny Davis for the Wizards. Jake LaRavia. Shea Gilgeous-Alexander, Sensations. Got a Wendell Moore Jr. for the T-Wolves, silver rookie. And a Klay Thompson.
Old Dusty Clay.
Paul George. Keegan Murray, rookie, Kings. Trae Young. So we've got a silver Colin Sexton for the Jazz. It's good looking. And a Chris Paul. We got a thick guy here. So you got a filler. Tyrese Maxey. Kevin Porter Jr. Anthony Davis. Filler. Got a blue Paul George for the Clippers. That is out of 249. Nice looking card. Heard there was trade talks on draft night. Clippers wanted to do Scoot Henderson pick. Got a Jason Tatum right there. Scoot Henderson straight up for Paul George.
What?
Never happened though. Talked about it.
For Paul George.
Mm-hmm. Nothing ever happened with it though. I don't know who turned down what, but it was out there. Tari Eason. Dyson Daniels. Christian Wood. KD. And a Devin Vassell courtside. That KD is a red, white, and blue. Not numbered. This box feels pretty good too. So we got a little Bronny on the back there. James Harden. Wrong pile. Giannis. Giannis snapshots. We got a rookie in the back there. I'll pull from the back first. We got a LeBron courtside. It's pretty nice. Rookie. Dalen Terry for the Bulls.
Bad.
Dalen Terry. 2 out of 15.
Is he a bum?
I don't know.
It's not good,
Never heard of the guy.
huh? Does that KD card have the Suns or the Nets on the back of it?
Suns.
Suns is it?
Suns is on the KD. It's a Nets jersey. Suns on the
Yeah.
back. So.
I'm gonna have that.
All right. Yeah. First off the line, Dalen Terry. Go ahead and put that LeBron courtside in a sleeve. And a little top loader action. All right. Back. Got a Scotty Barnes with Raptors. KD. Trevor Keels. Something green and shiny here. Got a Malcolm Brogdon silver, not numbered. And an Andrew Nembhard rookie for the Pacers. Bradley Beal, Mark Williams, and Fuego, Trae Young. Not sure about that one. That might be a short print. Not 100% sure. Kennedy Chandler silver for the Grizz. And a Nikola Jokic. Put that Chandler over here. Next pack is extra thick. Looks like it's something. Jimmy Buckets. Pascal Siakam. Drew Holiday. Drew Holiday little patch. This is to 99 on the Drew Holiday. Drew Holiday. Behind that, another Sexton. It's blue to 249. Colin Sexton. Andrew Wiggins on the bottom. Chris Middleton, Jalen Green, Fred Van Vliet, little filler. It's Curry, red, white, and blue. Nice looking card. Cade Cunningham, year 2. 3 packs left. So we do have something in this one as well. Kawhi. Steph Curry. SV. Fred Van Vliet. Yep. Fred Van Vliet for the Raptors. Purple. That is to 99.
Oh, Freddie.
Fred Van Vliet. We got a year 2 Suggs, red, white, and blue. And a Kyrie Irving. Musa Diabate, rookie. Damian Lillard. Got something here. MJG Magic. Signatures. Magic Johnson to
Whoa.
30.
There we go.
That's nice. Looks like you got a white LeBron right
Sammy
behind
B
it,
is on
too.
fire tonight.
A little Lakers pack there.
And a white LeBron.
LeBron to 149 behind it.
Wow.
That's nice. That is a nice card.
Sammy B, you're on fire, kid.
Do you have any more 35-point sleeves?
Yes, sir, we do. I mean, mags.
Wow. Yeah, I could do a mag. But I also need 35-point sleeves too, if you have any.
Oh, yeah. There's those. Let me get some.
Thank you, sir. Get that one magged up.
Holy. auto.
Telling you guys, I'm feeling good about these packs today.
Magic Johnson.
These are all fire.
30.
LeBron 106 of 149 on the Bron.
And another
on the
brownie.
white.
That is nasty. Stuff is good. I don't know why it's sitting. 28.97 is half full, more than half full. We've hit good orange autos in every box so far.
Mm-hmm.
Well, good orange. That first one was a redemption. But that's when
Nice.
it's at 15.
Magical Johnson, 19 out of 30.
He's very magical.
He's a very magical person.
Very majestic.
And a Tari
Should've been
Eason
Majestic.
for the Rockets. Last pack. I'll take a Paolo courtside here. That'd be pretty nice.
That'd be alright.
Joel Embiid. Drew Holiday. Jaden Hardy. Silver Colin Sexton. And a rookie Ty Washington Jr. I think we got 3 Colin Sexton parallels just in that one box.
Sick. There's a Colin Sexton box for sure.
Colin Sexton box.
Lakers box. Good hit, Sammy. Sammy B runs good. Sammy B runs good.
I'll do a little recap here. Fred Van Vliet. Jersey to 99. Steph Curry, red, white, and blue. Colin Sexton, blue. That is to 249. Drew Holiday, white patch. LeBron courtside. Dalen Terry, first off the line, orange to 15. Paul George, blue, die cut refractor to 249. LeBron white. That is to 149. And a Magic Johnson, first off the line, auto to 30. Nice break.
That was nice.
Get a picture of this Magic.
Yep.